How to check True Tone on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. As you can see, the True Tone feature is currently turned on. This feature automatically adapts iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. If you want to turn off True Tone, then turn off this feature as shown. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. You'll see a group of icons over here. Press and hold the brightness button as shown. You can also check if True Tone is on or off from here. Tap on the True Tone icon at the bottom right corner to turn it on or off. Following these steps, you can easily check True Tone on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.